G'day, Jeremy Doherty here from Doherty Couplers and Attachments. I want to talk to you today about our range of rotary tilt hitches, the DHT models. The DHT model is our new series which got multi-pin centre, dual pin diameter, an additional safety feature, tilt up to 180 degrees each way, and they're available from 1.5 tonne to 35 tonne excavators. The DHT range of tilt couplers are available from 1.5 to 35 tonne. They tilt up to 180 degrees, have minimal moving parts and no grease balls, backed up by a leading warranty of 2 years or 3,000 hours. The Doherty tilt coupler range has been in the market for over 10 years. This year we've released the DHT model. It's been a choice for contractors over the years due to its minimal moving parts, fully supported by our backup and 2 year 3,000 hour warranty. If you'd like to get one of these bad boys on your digger, go to our website www.dohertydirect.net or give us a call in Australia on 1800 057 021 or New Zealand 07 574 3000. Get it in there.